Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Avalon is a residential neighborhood located on the east side of Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. With a population of just over 3,000 residents, it is a smaller, well-established community known for its quiet streets and mature surroundings. Avalon is part of the city's older suburban development and reflects a period when Saskatoon was steadily expanding beyond its original core. Most of Avalon was developed in the 1950s and early 1960s during a time of post-war growth across Canada. This era saw increased demand for housing, and neighborhoods like Avalon were designed to accommodate families with a focus on single-family homes, schools, and local parks. The layout is simple and practical, with tree-lined streets and a strong emphasis on residential living. The neighborhood takes its name from Avalon Park, a central green space that has long served as a gathering point for the community. Parks like this were an important part of suburban planning, providing room for recreation and helping to create a sense of shared space. Today, Avalon Park continues to offer open areas, playgrounds, and sports facilities for residents of all ages. The neighborhood is well connected to the rest of Saskatoon through nearby roadways such as Circle Drive and Broadway Avenue. This allows residents to access shopping areas, employment centers, and other parts of the city with ease. While Avalon itself is primarily residential, nearby commercial districts provide convenient access to everyday services. Saskatoon itself is the largest urban center in Saskatchewan, with a population of over 270,000 people. Located along the South Saskatchewan River, the city is known for its scenic river valley, network of bridges, and extensive system of parks and trails. These natural features are a defining part of Saskatoon's identity. The city was founded in 1882 and was incorporated as a city in 1906. Its early growth was closely tied to agriculture and the expansion of the railway across the prairies. The establishment of the University of Saskatchewan in 1907 helped transform Saskatoon into a center for education and research, influencing its development for generations. Over time, Saskatoon has grown into a diverse and economically important city. Industries such as mining, agriculture, technology, and healthcare all contribute to its economy. The city continues to expand, with new neighborhoods developing, while older ones like Avalon remain an important part of its history and character. Today, Avalon offers a glimpse into Saskatoon's mid-century suburban growth with its established homes and strong community feel. At the same time, Saskatoon itself provides a broader perspective on the development of a prairie city shaped by history, natural surroundings, and steady growth. Together, they reflect both the past and present of life in Saskatchewan. Thanks for watching!